Welcome to the FuseNet workshop on the GeoCLIM. In this video, we're going to cover the installation of the GeoCLIM version 1.2.
The first thing is that all users we have to download the installation file. Then for existing users, you're going to have to move your working directory into a new location and install the existing version, and then delete the existing GeoCLIM directory in the default path. We're going to cover all that and then install the new version. Then we're going to see how the new users would have to install the new version too. So let's begin by downloading the installation file. You could either go to the Climate Hazards Group website, that is this one right here, and look for the GeoCLIM, or go to the Early Warning System website. Once you download the file, the existing users will have to move the working directory. The default path is in the users, the name, in my case is Pedreros, documents, GeoCLIM. So sometimes the C drive runs out of memory when we start working with the GeoCLIM because it produces a lot of files and it fills out the memory really fast. Also, once we install a new version of the GeoCLIM, it replaces this directory, and so all the files that we have in there will be wiped out. Then the best thing is to change the directory into a new location, and that makes it safe. Once you change the directory, delete the directory, install the new version. So let's take a look and see how we have to change the directory. So in the GeoCLIM, you will have to go to File. Down here it says Workspace Settings, and then this new window opens up. And the current location is this in this case, this is the default path. And then you will have to give the new location. Let me show you how I have my workspace set, so that way you can take a look. So I have mine in the C drive. So all we have to do is bring the GeoCLIM, click on File, Workspace Settings. In my case, it already chose the C because that's the location that I already have. But in your case, it's going to show the default path. So what we need to do is browse to the new location. For example, if I were to set my working directory in this new location, I would click on F, and that's it. If I wanted to just have it in the root directory, in the root F, then I would just click on F, and the program would create the GeoCLIM directory in F and would copy all the files in there. So you don't have to create the GeoCLIM directory. Once you select the correct location, just click OK. So once you have changed the directory, then uninstall the GeoCLIM, go to the default path, Documents, and delete this GeoCLIM directory. In this case, you already moved your working space, uninstall the program. Now delete the GeoCLIM from the default path. Then you can proceed to install the new version.
So I just finished uninstalling the program, and I am installing it again. And now let's see what happens when we run the program. So let's open it, and the first thing that comes out is this window that is asking us to select the region to work on. So For us, just select the first region in both windows, the left and the right. Click OK. Then it's going to ask us where the working space is located. And here is where we indicate where we saved the workspace when we made the change. Browse to the place where we have the workspace. In my case, is in the C drive. The program will understand that there is a GeoCLIM directory in the C drive. So we just, in my case, just click on the C drive and click OK and accept the changes, and now we are done installing the new version of the GeoCLIM.
Now let's take a look at the installation for the new users. So once you install the tool and you open it for the first time, you're gonna see this window. In any case, you just select the first line on the left and the first line on the right, and later on you're gonna be able to change it, but right now just let's select the first lines. You click OK, and you're gonna get this window that is telling you that the GeoCLIM does not have data to work with. If you click download, it's going to take you to download data either for Africa or Central America. Those are the default regions. If you are not for any of these regions, then you're going to have to download later on the data for the global domain, and then we'll take a look at what to do with that. On the other hand, if you have already downloaded archives, if you click import, this is to import archives. And archives are files that are set up specifically for the GeoCLIM. So these are zip files that have a text file in it, giving the directions to the GeoCLIM to read the data. You can get archives from the GeoCLIM page in the Climate Hazards Group website, and then you can download any CHIRPS archive for the globe, and then being able to import it here. We're going to have another video that explains all about archives. In the meantime, you can click cancel, and then start. The GeoCLIM will be ready to work. The next video, we're going to see how to work with data in the GeoCLIM, and that includes the archives. If you have any questions, please send an email to, and any of us will answer your question. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.